How to lock apps on your phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on your device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. You can also open up settings by simply opening the app drawer and search for settings. Tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down and tap on apps. If you don't find the setting here, go back to the home screen and open up settings again. Now tap on the search bar and type apps. Now click on search. Now tap on apps. Now under the last option you will find an option for app lock. Simply tap on it. Now enter your password. Now once you do that, simply toggle the app lock option. Now select the apps you want to turn on the app lock. Simply toggle the option and that's it. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on privacy password and set up your password. Now once you do that, go back and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.